Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix the Google keeps stopping on Android. So let's get started our video and fix this problem. First of all, you have to open your settings and go to the app management in your Android or iPhone. After this, you have to just click on the app settings here. Now you have to search here the Google app here. Tap on the Google here, and basically you have to clear the cache and the storage from your Google. You have to just click on the clear cache and then clear storage here. After this, you have to just click on the clear all data from here. By using this method, your problem will be resolved successfully. If not, then you have to move on to the next step, which is you have to just click on the Google app here, and then you have to just click on the force stop option and then click OK. After this, you have to just open your Play Store or App Store that you use in your Android or iPhone. You have to search here the Google app and check that if your Google is updated or not. If not, then you have to just click on the update option here. After some time, your Google Play Store will be updated and your problem will be resolved. If your Google app is not getting the update, then you have to just update your Play Store first, and then your problem will be resolved successfully. And you can see that my Google Chrome has been updated here. If all these methods not work for you, then you have to just open your phone settings again and then open your app management again, and you have to click on the app settings and search here your Google. And after this, you have to tap on it, and here you have to just click on the disable option and disable app for some time. When you again enable it, that your problem will be resolved and you will never get this problem again. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So don't forget to give this video thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide for more information. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.